Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you homemade taco seasoning. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first ingredient we will need garlic powder. We will need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Second ingredient we will need onion powder. We will need 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Third ingredient we will need oregano, 1 teaspoon of oregano. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Also, we will need 4 tablespoons of chili powder. We will need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And we will need 1 tablespoon of paprika. And we will need 2 tablespoons of cumin. And last ingredient you will need 1 tablespoon of salt. And now let's grab a fork and mix all these ingredients very well together. Alright guys, now we have a homemade taco seasoning in our pantry for our Taco Tuesdays or for any recipe that we would like to use it. Let me know if you tried it or if you liked it or not. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!